Hello, this is Audra Moore with the National Weather Service in Pocatello, Idaho, with your weather hazard briefing for Sunday, September 11th. Thanks for joining us today. We're going to go through some of what you can expect for your forecast as we go through the next several days. Of course, air quality still is being impacted by wildfire smoke across a good portion of central and into some of eastern Idaho. We'll talk about that. So a lot of us are being impacted by that. Air quality definitely has decreased over the last few days, but we've seen some slight improvements, so that's a good sign. Warming trend gets on track as we go throughout Sunday, and Monday expected to be the warmest day of the week ahead. Then temperatures drop back down a little bit closer to average for this time of the year by the time we get into Tuesday and midweek. So after we warm back up, we will get to cool down as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, continuing even into the end of the week. Some more active weather is also headed our way. Another system is going to bring some showers and the chance for some thunderstorms. Actually, the remnants of Hurricane K bringing some moisture, much needed moisture, to the area beginning on Tuesday. So we'll talk a little bit more about that too. Chance for some showers and thunderstorms along with that. But at this point, we'll pretty much take any rain that we can get here. Look at satellite though, early on our Sunday morning. Not a whole lot to look at here in Idaho, but you do see some more of that moisture that's been impacting parts of California and into Nevada, working its way through the area in the form right now mainly of cloud cover. We'll start to see a few of those clouds working their way into most of Idaho late Sunday into Monday. That though will mainly be some high thin cirrus clouds working their way in overnight Sunday into Monday. We'll start to notice more clouds as we go through Monday, especially though into Tuesday and midweek, which of course is when our rain chances are also going to be picking up. So, of course, air quality advisory that continues impacting the area Sunday into Monday. That is expected to expire on Monday. And then we get into Tuesday and the rest of the week, and that's when our chance for showers and thunderstorms starts to return and increases a bit more. Showers looking a bit more likely Wednesday and Thursday, or at least potentially a bit more widespread. Again, for all of us, we will take any rain that we can get at this point. And thankfully, it does look like most of us will see at least a little bit of rain as we go through the week ahead. But of course, wildfires, there's still quite a few out there impacting the area and decreasing our air quality. So you can see a lot of those still burning up through the central mountains. Sawtooth, of course, we still have some of our main fires there. The Ross Fork fire, and then up north, the Moose fire, the big one there. As of the last update that I have seen, fire just north of Pocatello, the 2.5 fire, at about 80% contained, and continue to make improvements on that. So thankful to all the fire crews that are out working all those fires across the area. As a good reminder for fire updates and any evacuation information, a good idea to check out social media pages from the San Chalice National Forest, Lemhi County, Sawtooth National Forest, and Blaine County Sheriffs. We try to post updates on the National Weather Service social media too, but of course those dedicated fire pages are going to have the most updated and up-to-the-moment forecast information as far as wildfire things go. Air quality, of course, we've talked about that quite a bit over the past few days, still being impacted. A lot of us in the eastern half of Idaho at least seeing moderate for our air quality, so not too bad, but definitely you can still notice that smoke and that haze out there. More so you get further west and further north, you start to get into the unhealthy for sensitive groups or even just unhealthy categories for air quality. So we will continue to see wildfire smoke bringing some of these impacts at least through Sunday and into Monday. And that is, of course, why we do have the air quality advisory in effect for the rest of Sunday and into Monday. Again, that is expected to expire as we get into the first part of the week there. Temperatures for our Sunday, we are going to warm things back up a bit more, most of us back into the mid, even some upper 80s, especially in the lower elevations. You get into some of the higher elevations, upper 70s to low 80s. But Monday expected to be the warmest day of the week. A lot of us are going to be inching closer to that 90-degree mark, or even hitting that 90-degree mark in the lower elevations. Some of the higher elevations, temperatures will still be in those low to some mid-80s for afternoon highs on Monday. Again, Monday expected to be the warmest day of the week, because then we see more clouds come in for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Rain chances also picking back up, so all of that helps to drop our temperatures a little bit closer to average for this time of the year. A lot of us dropping back down to the 70s for afternoon highs, even some 60s in those higher elevations. It's nice to see that after starting September with record-breaking heat across much of the area. Looking ahead to potential rainfall amounts. Now this says Sunday through Wednesday, but Sunday and Monday really are expected to be fairly dry days, and this goes into midnight Tuesday or very early Wednesday morning. So really this is more so just an outlook for potential rainfall totals throughout the day on Tuesday. Some of us could see up to about 1/10 of an inch, maybe 2/10 of an inch, farther south and east that you go. Again, at this point, any rain is welcome, and Wednesday and Thursday expect to bring more rain to the area. In fact, by the time we get to the end of this week, farther east you go, wouldn't be too surprised if some of us end up seeing up to almost an inch of rain. Again, that's by the end of the week. On Tuesday, that rain starts to move into the area, showers and thunderstorms, and on Wednesday and Thursday we'll likely see some more potentially widespread rain across parts of the area. Again, some much needed moisture headed our way. In fact, the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook from the Climate Prediction Center does show about a 40 to 50% chance for above normal precipitation during that time period for all of Idaho. Kind of that green bullseye over the area. It's great to see after how dry we have been, and those below normal temperatures along the west coast starting to creep a little bit closer during that same time frame to eastern Idaho, already getting to parts of central Idaho. So for most of us, our average highs this time of the year now are about the mid-70s. So anything below that technically is considered below normal. Obviously, eastern Idaho highlighted, or not highlighted, more so in the near normal temperatures for that time frame. The 6 to 10 day outlook will cover September 16th through the 20th. So as we get into the end of the week and into the weekend. But again, nice to see that little bit of a break after starting the month with record-breaking temperatures. Still quite a bit of heat over the central part of the U.S. Off to our east. So, in summary, air quality still being impacted by wildfire smoke that is expected to continue throughout Sunday and into Monday, with the air quality advisories in effect for many of our counties. Now, warming trend for Sunday into Monday puts our highs back to the 80s and low 90s. Eventually, we'll start to cool down. We stay dry through Sunday and Monday too. But that active weather beginning on Tuesday brings a chance for some more showers and thunderstorms, and also brings some cooler weather along with it. If you do have any questions, comments, and concerns, you can always send us an email or give us a phone call. Of course, you can find us on social media too. That's a great way to interact if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns. Otherwise, hope you have a great day.